Hey guys, welcome back to yet another hair video. Today we're going to be doing some simple, easy, natural hairstyles that you can try if you do not have gel. All you have is just a rubber band. So let's get into it. So fast, I'm gonna go straight ahead and take my wide tooth comb. This is just to make sure that at least the hair is detangled, but I'm still not gonna put so much pressure on my hair. The next thing I'm gonna do, I'm going to use my hands just to sort of brush my hair, just to pull it up in a gentle way, because remember, we're still not supposed to put so much pressure on the hair. The next thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna grab my shoelace, yes, my shoelace, and that's what I'm gonna be using to tie my hair. Remember to be very gentle with your hair because you don't want to cause any breakage to the baby hairs that are still growing, so just do it so gently. Tie your hair and watch what I'm gonna do next. So after that, I'm just gonna puff my hair with my hands just to make sure that we look tidy. And for the flyaways, because we don't want to have some hair that is just flying away, we're going to take a scarf and just casually tie it on our hair just to make the flyaways go away. So take your scarf, just tie it gently, just pull it the way I'm doing it, and then you're good to go. And now let's get into the second hairstyle of the day. What you're going to do for this one, you just need a hairband, because if you decide to use a shoelace, it might frustrate you. But if you have thick hair, you can go ahead and use a shoelace. But as for my case, I decided to use a rubber band. So I'm just going to tie my hair. Once I'm done tying my hair, I'm gonna go straight ahead and use my hands again just to comb up my hair. And then I'm gonna need some rubber band, just one of it, the mini rubber band, which is good. So I'm gonna comb my hair up here with my hand, and then I'm just gonna take my rubber band and tie the mini section that I've just done on my video. I'm sure you guys can see. And then take a mini brush and just brush the baby hairs just to make sure you look good, because remember, we are not using gel in this video. Then take a bobby pin and pull in the section of your hair that's gonna pop out, so you can just look tidy and well put together. And there we go. That's it for the second hairstyle. And then that hairstyle, this had to be my favorite hairstyle. If you get to the very end of the video, you'll notice that I was so happy because this hairstyle was just everything. I was smiling, I was happy because this is like my favorite. This is like the best of all. I was smiling from ear to ear, and as you can see, all you just need is a rubber band. The mini rubber bands, just take your mini rubber bands and put at the sections of your hair. This is gonna create like that donut feel. It's gonna create like that donut feel. I was so excited. I kept smiling all through this hairstyle, and that tells you that this was my favorite part of the video. So you just observe what I did and let me know if this is also your favorite part of the video, because for me this was my favorite. So for the last hairstyle, nothing much is needed. All you need to do is just take a bobby pin, and you see the upper part of your hair, just pull it back, take your bobby pin and pin it, and then you're good to go. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know on the comment section which was your favorite hairstyle and which one you're gonna be trying on the next time you decide to style your natural hair. And until the next one, see you then.